About this item: Confetti Ball Triple Modes Wireless Keyboard supported 2.4G/Bluetooth 5.0/USB wired 3 connection modes. The RGB gaming keyboard could freely connect with laptop, desktop, PC, computer, tablet, and etc. Long standby with 1850 mAh rechargeable battery. Support the Bluetooth keyboard for hours working. Wrap gift 60% compact layout and extended USB hub. The RK61 Plus mechanical keyboard delivers big features compressed from large full keys keyboard into a 60% form factor and free up more room for your mouse. Plus, with extended USB hub port for easy connection to more USB devices. Confetti Ball Quiet Hot Swappable Keyboard adopted with latest SkyCyan switches. The 60% gaming keyboard could bring you a quieter and smoother typing experience than traditional linear switches. The Royal KLUDGE Hot Swappable is compatible with most of MX similar mechanical switches freely, including Gateron, Cherry, etc. Easily swap out the mechanical switches and custom your keyboards depending upon your preference. Wrap gift wide compatibility with 3 modes. Connection is widely compatible with Windows/Mac OS/Android/iPad. What's more, the wireless keyboard can connect with up to 3 devices via duct Bluetooth. Quickly switch to your target device through FN and Q/W/E, which effectively meet the needs of work or game scenarios on different devices. Heart with ribbon macro recording and driver support. RK Royal KLUDGE mechanical keyboard is armed with superior driver. The RK keyboard can be customized to perform the complex commands you need. Custom RGB backlit light,